Let's learn the bird names with the help of flashcards. Canary, C for canary. Ibis, I for ibis. Flamingo, F for flamingo. Hen, H for hen. Xenops, X for xenops. Parrot, P for parrot. Owl, O for owl. Doves, D for doves. Pigeon, P for pigeon. Quetzal, Q for quetzal. Eagle, A for eagle. Falcon, F for falcon. Crow, C for crow. Turkey, T for turkey. Goose, G for goose. Duckling, D for duckling. Ostrich, O for ostrich. Chick, C for chick. Vulture, V for vulture. Duck, D for duck. Goose, G for goose. Doves, D for doves. Duck, D for duck. Ibis, I for ibis. Duckling, D for duckling. Chick, C for chick. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to learn with fun.